Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to be analyzing GBPJPY. So here you can see I have a weekly chart. You can see that the market has been actually selling since the 1970s and all that. We don't really care much about that, but the most important thing to notice on weekly, you can see that actually the price came to the lowest level here. This is the level it created in 1990s. Then during the crash 2008, COVID and all those kind of stuff, this has been a strong level, the support level. So basically on daily, you can see that there's no chance that the market can break this level now, in the current time, weekly, I mean. So obviously, because we are retail traders, we don't hold for too long. We're gonna drop down to daily. So on daily, we're going to try to understand what the price is doing. Okay, before going that, let's go back to weekly. Let's check something on weekly. Just want to see the high, recent high. So you can see that we have a strong level here. I want you to notice that we have a strong level here, that the market, this price might be going there. So that is 195, something like that. Then we have 213 also there. So okay, let's see how it goes. Went down, then came, respected this level, went down. Then obviously we are probably going to that level again, but we're not just gonna shoot straight to that level. Obviously, as you can see, it went up, down, up, just like that. Same thing, it can go up, go down, go up, go down, go up eventually, but you can see that we are in the bullish market. So let's go to the daily time frame on it. So daily time frame, the first thing that I spot, as you know, price action, we can spot that we have an uptrend. So if you draw the line graph, you'll see that this is the proper uptrend that you can have. Let's see another thing that we can spot. Remove this here. Another thing, okay, we have this. So probably the price will go to 2000. It can make a breakout, then retest, then go up. So that's what we have at the moment. Excuse me. Then we also have to notice that we made a breakout of a strong level here. This was a strong level that we actually broke at the current price. This one, you see, we broke it, we went up. We broke this one, we went up. Every level after breakout, I want you to notice we broke this level, we came to retest, break, we kept on playing around this level. Eventually we broke out. Then we have to retest this level, probably play around, then continue going up. So we're not just gonna continue going up like without a retest. But before that, we have to check what the price is at the moment. You can see that we have something very, very crucial here. We are at the crucial level that if we can break, the price might continue, but high chances that we might retrace a bit, then continue going up, probably 1000 pips retracement. That's why I'm analyzing this, because I see opportunities coming on this. You also have this level that if we can break, we will be going to that level, which is 188, but let's not check that one for now. So that's what we have on daily. We are from the lower high, from the higher low, from the higher low, then obviously we are more likely going there, but we might pull back, then continue going up. So without wasting time, let's drop down to 4-hour. So on 4-hour, you can see that we just broke that level that I was talking about, and you will see the details are more clear here. So this was the buy that we actually had on 168. This was a good buy. Then let's drop down to 4-hour and see what the price is giving us. We have a nice uptrend that the market has been respecting from that. As you can see, it went down, went up, went down, which is what I think it will do for us to get this buy on here. Go down, go up, go down again, go up. So that's what I'm having. That's what I'm thinking that the price will do. So let's put another. Personally, I like to zoom in like this. So looking at this, you can see that we are having a rejection on 4-hour there. After the strong bull candle, we have a rejection on 4-hour. Then we also have something like this uptrend that I believe that the market has to at least come back to retest this level. But on daily, on higher time frame, this level is nothing. So more likely for the price to just come retest this level because this is a moving average line. So you just have to predict. Now you are predicting that this can be a potential zone for the market to come. So we are predicting that, but let's drop down to 1 hour. There's nothing much on 4 hour except to see that, okay, we just have strong impulse, correction, another impulse. So probably we might have a correction soon. So dropping down to 1 hour, that's when you will see it nicely that, okay, we are having an uptrend here. You already saw what I'm expecting on daily. On daily, obviously, I'm expecting the market to go down just as a pullback, but overall we are bullish. We're having something like this. Some people can say this is a rising wedge and all that, which is, I think it's a rising wedge at this point because we pushed up, then the market is playing around, then more likely for the market to drop to this level. It's a good trade to take if you're going to take it, or the market can actually drop to 172. But before we do that, we have to understand that trading, it's all about making calculated prediction that if you're gonna sell, look for selling opportunity here. You just put your stop loss above this, because if it goes above that, then more likely that we're gonna go up, retest, then continue going to the upside. We just have to make calculated prediction so that our risk is limited. We don't risk a lot on this trade. But looking at this so far, you can see that there's a high chance that the market can drop here, probably then continue dropping, then retest, then boom, drop to the downside, right? That's something you can expect the market to do. Other than that, let's drop to 15 minutes for an entry. That's what I'm having. Or the market can actually create this as a support, as a breakout, then just go down, then break to the top, then retest, then continue going to the upside, right? That's something we can expect also. Then let's check this one here. We had strong level here. Then let's drop to 15 minutes before doing anything. So on 15 minutes, you can see that, okay, this level is much clearer here. We had a double bottom before the market actually going up, and we still have that trend there. So we had an impulse move on Friday. We had an impulse move during New York session. So what I'm gonna do here, you can see that we have a wedge, a rising wedge again on smaller time frame. So not even a wedge, this one, but you can see that we have a good pattern there that the market created. So from this, you can see that if you are going to execute your sell, because looking at this, I think the market will pull back, then we'll decide here if it can break, then drop, something like that. But I will be looking for selling opportunities on my side. But another thing that you have to notice when you trade is that we have this zone here that the market can retest and go up. So you have to pay attention, and you have to include other strategies when you trade. You're not going to just trade price action. Price action is just there to analyze and be able to predict where the price might be going, but you need like other strategies to help you with executing your position, with putting a stop loss. You can use the ATR, the likes of ATR and stuff like that. Make sure that you follow all the basics when it comes to putting a stop loss. Then from here, you can see that, okay, if you're going to execute, just jump in. Let's say you jump in here, you're just going to go for a short position, then you do this. But please apply part one of our strategy that I shared last week, and part two, so that you can get a good execution and all that. But if you were to enter here, you're just going to risk 30 pips, then probably aim for like this 200 and something pips, 250. That is a good trade. But you have to expect the market to give you a rejection when it gets to a level like this. When it's like pushing to this level, you have to expect that, okay, if this is going to continue, market will come here, then probably retest this level here, break out, then probably go down, then go up, then go down. So here, obviously, you have to know that the market won't just jump. It has to respect this level. So you have to be patient as a trader to say, okay, as much as I believe that the market will go down, but this is how it's going to move. So this is just a smaller time frame look at something that can give you like about 260 pips, risking 30 pips. But otherwise, if the market breaks to the top, this is just for sellers. If the market breaks to the top, if the market comes here, then we break to the top. Like from here, it goes down here, then go up. So obviously here, it will be destroying the high. You want to execute your buy here. You can execute, but I believe it will go up a bit, then come down, then after that continue going up. But you will also have to analyze this probably then to see a proper uptrend to say, okay, there's your third touch, a higher low, then you can execute, believe that the market is going up. So guys, yeah, that's that with the GBPJPY. I believe that the market, it's bullish, but we're going to have a retracement. As you can see, I believe that GBPJPY in a long term it's going to 200, which is now at 183. So it's going to 200, but I believe that we're more likely to have a retracement to 170 from here, which is a lot of pips. You check from 183 to 170, that is like 1.3 pips. So you can make a good money with that. So look for that opportunity. Otherwise, if it breaks to the top, we continue with the bulls. If it breaks, you can just enter a sell, then check how it goes, or you can wait for it to break this. But don't just enter. Remember, you don't just enter, apply other strategies to see if they coincide with everything that you have on your price action, pure price action. So there have to be a confluence of everything before you can execute your trade. Thank you guys. Let's meet again during the week if I feel like dropping another analysis. If I'm helping you with this analysis, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let's build a community whereby we can discuss such things, topics, and stuff like that. Thank you once again, guys, for watching the video. Please share it with your friends also so that we can help other people. Thank you.